Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 C-Max SE in white platinum with black cloth interior, seating for 5. 4 doors and a hatch. This is an HEV, so a hybrid electric, uses both regular fuel as well as regenerative braking for the lithium-ion battery. So it goes between the two for the fuel source. It also has a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and your lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is the dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And you're also going to see, because this is a hybrid and it's nice and quiet, it'll say ready to drive, and so that just lets you know that it actually is on, because sometimes it's hard to tell. So it has display, trip, information, settings, and these all have submenus. On the right hand side, you're seeing the fuel history. This has regenerative braking, so it actually charges up the battery as you brake, and you can go back in and it can show you different features pertaining to the vehicle for the fuel economy and so forth. In the center you have your display screen, and this has got your media on it with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD, and there's your CD player there, as well as your volume tuner, radio, and media. You also have your hazard lights located there, and down below you're seeing your dual climate control for both driver and passenger. You also have AC and max AC. There's eco, there's the rear defrost, and you also have front defrost, an automatic shifter as well. You've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as the 12 volt, and your emergency parking brake, a couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up, and inside your USB outlet is there, as well as more storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and up above is the auto dimming rear view mirror. Now when you put the vehicle in reverse, you actually see your backup camera view located there, and there you're seeing it to the left. It's quite handy actually. And then up above you've got a sunglass holder, as well you've got your lighting controls in the center, and there's a grab handle for the passenger to make it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. In the back you have a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup cameras to the left of the Ford badge just below it. And when you're ready to open up the hatch, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It power releases it for you, and then you simply put your hand underneath the badge and lift right up. Inside it's nicely carpeted. You're seeing extra carpeted or extra all-weather mats. As well, you've got a tonneau cover, and there's hooks and clips. There's also a light and a 12 volt off to the side there. And then when you're ready to close everything up, simply put your hand to the right, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And you just bring down the headrest by simply pushing the button. And then there's a lever at the base of the seat. When you pull that, that'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing those all-weather mats, as well as the tonneau cover, and on the back of the seat is a tab so you can anchor baby seats. You can easily lift the seat back up just with a push and flip up the headrest. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and in the floor there's a little bin so that you can put items down there. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and there is carpeted mats. I've just pushed one over so that you can see the bin. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Passenger side, capless easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.